Hello guys, in this video I will guide you on how to fix unknown app blocked on Samsung. So if you're trying to download and install apps from unknown sources on your Samsung phone and you're getting the unknown app blocked error, maybe either using the browser or any other app to install apps from unknown sources, the way you fix this is quite simple. Basically, you want to head over to the settings of your Samsung. So click on the settings icon, and then you just want to navigate until you get to the privacy and security settings over here. Select that, and then from here you want to scroll down until you get to auto blocker. Go ahead and toggle this off. You will also be required to enter your password, pin or pattern if you have any. I'll go ahead and enter mine. And once you enter your password, you can try to install the app again on your Samsung and see if you get the same error. So if I click on the install button now, you can now see that my app can successfully install without the unknown app blocker error. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.